Why does your scanner show the P2309 engine code? What does it mean? P2309 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil D, primary control circuit low. The P2309 engine code for indicate the engine control module, ECM, or powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a voltage drop or electrical fault in the primary circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or connectors, faulty ignition coil, poor engine or PCM ground, faulty PCM or ECM driver, low battery voltage or system problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Ford, Honda, Toyota, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.